DJ here with ACHV PEAK, and today we're going to be doing a resistance band leg workout 5-minute finisher.
So for this workout, we're going to be doing 4 total exercises, and we're going to go through all 4 once and then repeat them for a second time for 8 total working sets. Our working time is 30 seconds, our break time is 10 seconds, and for this workout we have no extended breaks. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for resistance bands or workout routines, check out our store at shop.achievepeak.com. Alright, now let's get to work. Alright, we got about 30 seconds until we get started. If you have a fitness tracking watch, be sure to turn that on. Our first exercise is going to be Hex Squats. So we're going to step on the bands with both feet, get our feet just wider than shoulder width apart. From here, our arms are going to be by our side. We're going to drop down into a squat and then come back up and repeat that. A couple seconds till we get started. There we go. So good controlled movements. We're keeping the back nice and straight as we go down, keeping our weight in our heels. When we perform this movement, we don't want to be on our toes too much. Here we go. As you can see, we are choking up on the bands. We actually have a hold of the bands, not the handles. Here we go. Good controlled movements. Here we go. Last one. Boom. Oh man, you're making me look bad now, huh? Alright, we're going into a static lunge on the left side, so bands under the left foot. Here we go. Drop that right leg back, and then from here, we're just going to stay in that position. You may need to choke up just a little more. If you want to work more butt or glutes, then when you're coming up, push backwards. If you want to work more quads, try to come straight up. It's your choice. Here we go. Good controlled movements. Couple seconds and then we're switching sides. We'll get one more. Alright, we're switching to the right side, static lunge. Drop the left foot back. Choke up on your bands. Here we go. Good controlled movements. Remember, back for glutes, straight up for quads. Whew, going straight up. You can feel it. Come on, halfway. There we go. Push it out. Come on. Let's go. Couple reps left. Get one more. Alright, next we're going into RDL, so we're going to step on the bands with both feet. And from here, we're going to bend at the hips and then come back. There we go. So you're going to have a slight bend in your knees. Then we're bending at the hips. Keep your chest out, head up when you're bending over. That'll help keep that back nice and straight. Try to go down as far as you can without sacrificing bending your back when you're doing these. Here we go. Come on. Almost halfway through this. Last one here. There we go. Going back in to Hex Squat. So again, feet just wider than shoulder width. Here we go. Drop down. Come up. Just try to go down as far as you can each time. Keep the back nice and straight. Don't let your knees buckle in when you're doing this. When you come down, they should be pushed out like this, not coming in like that. There you go. I know. You're OCD about us repping it out together.
I was waiting.
I saw you. Last one. Alright, going into left leg, static lunge. Operation throw Jen off.
Did you think you go faster?
There we go. Good controlled movements. If you can't go all the way down, that's fine. Maybe you can only go to here. You gotta come back up. Just try to work to going all the way down and then increasing resistance once you've done that. Come on. Push it. One more. There we go. Going into right side, static lunge. Here we go. Push back for glutes, straight up for quads. Come on. Let's go. Burn it up. Let's go. Good controlled movements. 10 seconds. Burn those legs. Burn them up. Couple more reps. Let's get one more. There we go. RDLs. Last one here. Let's get ready. Here we go. Remember, we're not bending at the back. We're bending at the hips here. It's a hip hinge. Gonna have a slight bend in the knees. There we go. Come on. Burn up them hammies. Choke up if you need. Let's go. Let's get a couple more. Last one. There we go. We are done. There you go. Good stuff. Alright, if you like this video,
hit that like button.
Boom! If you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for resistance bands, workout routines, or super awesome shirts like this one, go check out our store at shop.achievepeak.com. See you guys. Whew. That was a fun one. I'm already sweating. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. The sweat is pouring on. Can you see? Can you see the sweat? I hope you can see the sweat. I look like an idiot.